In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this song isn't licensed for commercial use on TikTok. When you try to use a song that you see and it says that you cannot use this song because it isn't licensed. Now this is caused because you have switched your account to a business account from a personal account. Now every song isn't licensed as it says. There are songs that you can use as a business account, but if you want to use that particular song which is not licensed, you'll need to switch back to a personal account. So to do that, firstly head over to your profile section by tapping on the profile option on the bottom right, and then from here tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. From the settings page, you'll see a couple of options. Tap on the first one, which is account, and there you'll have an option of switch to personal account. Tap on it and tap on switch anyway. Now as you can see, it says switch to business account, which means that you've successfully now switched to a personal account. Now you'll be able to use any songs that you see on the TikTok platform. You can tap open any song and it would not say that it is not licensed because you are not a commercial user of the song. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also like this video. I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.